we are going to start a series of JavaScript where we learn all the important concepts of JavaScript. In today's video, we are going to learn about JavaScript. This is our table of content and we learn in this video about the core JavaScript concepts. One by one, we discuss all these topics, right? So, in this video, we firstly discuss about alert, then after we discuss about prompt, after prompt we cover variable, right? So let's move ahead in this video. First is alert. Alert displays a message to the user in a pop-up box. Whenever we see a pop-up box in a browser, this pop-up box is displayed by using the property of alert, right? Example is this: alert, welcome to JavaScript. So when we write welcome to JavaScript in alert, we get the pop-up box that shows welcome to JavaScript. In alert, this alert shows in browser error input valid. So let's move in code. This is our VS code and we practice here alert, right? And write welcome to TechLambda YouTube channel, right? So we use this as an alert. So in browser, after refreshing, we can see an alert with that welcome to TechLambda YouTube channel, right? So this is the function we get through alert. So this is our alert property works. After discussing alert, next move prompt, right? Prompt display a dialog box that asks the user for input. Let's take an example here. This is that let name is a variable and prompt that asks as a what is your name as a question, and this prompt is stored in the name variable and it shows alert hello, and this concat this let variable name the value stored in what is your name, that's print the input that given by the user, right? And alert shows hello and print the user input that asks through the prompt box. So this is an other example. Let age prompt enter your age. So basically prompt a dialog box that wants the age of user as an input, and this input that given by the user is stored in a let variable age, and this is a conditional statement, right? This is a conditional statement. If this is a condition age is greater than equal to 18 and give the alert you are an adult. If the age that given by the user as an input in a prompt dialog box, this input is stored in a age and it checks if age is greater than 18, then alert shows you are an adult if your age is greater than or equal to 18. Else, otherwise, if your age is not greater than equal to 18, then in else condition alert show you are a minor, right? So this is basically a prompt dialog box. So let's move in a VS code and see the example practical. This is our VS code. Here we check about how prompt works. Let name variable and prompt prompt, and we ask what is your name? What is your name? Right? And this name is stored in a alert hello, and we concat this name. Now let's check the output in a browser. So in a browser, it asks for the input. We entered what is your name in a prompt dialog box. So it asks for the input. We write Manish Tech Lambda, submit. Okay. Now it shows the alert hello Manish Tech Lambda, right? So this is our prompt dialog box. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe TechLambda for more videos. Keep learning and creating. I will see you in the next video.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.